She finally got her crab legs from Choose. She finally got her crab legs, y'all. She been begging for like, how long?
Months.
Now they're supposed to have like the best crab legs. So,
Take these off.
and just a tip, when they tell y'all like hot, mild is the hot. Gonna make a change in my life, starting here today. She dancing for food.
I'm dancing for this crab. That's my bag. And you see you gonna need good. I told you to come in the bag.
That's what I'm not, no.
But everything else is in the bag. It's okay in there.
I'm not eating it.
No, I'm not eating everything else. You like sausage?
Well, the ones with the sauce and stuff on them. Oh, wait a minute. Copyright. You can't do that. She out of there. Juicy crab.
Why am I trying to lick the sauce off my glove?
I have no idea. Feel that bad.